Welcome, kids! Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is all about food chain transfer of energy.
Let's begin. Which term names usable power moving through a feeding path? And the correct answer is letter B, energy transfer in food chains. A rabbit eats grass in a sunny field. Which picture shows where the rabbit's food power began? And the correct answer is letter A, light to plant. Which term names a living thing that makes its own food? And the correct answer is letter B, producer in ecosystem.
A chart shows bright light, a grain crop, and a bird. Which picture traces power used for motion? And the correct answer is letter C, sun, corn, chicken. The table compares 3 possible source trails for a rabbit. Which explanation fits the data? And the correct answer is letter A, row A has support. A deer grows after eating leaves and stems. Which picture shows where the stored food power first came from? And the correct answer is letter A, sunlit plants.
The table compares possible trails for a bear staying warm. Which trail is supported by food evidence? And the correct answer is letter C, berries from plants. A bear eats berries and stays warm. Which diagram traces the useful power back to its first source? And the correct answer is letter A, light plant body. The graph compares how far animals are from plant food in a chain. Which claim is supported? And the correct answer is letter C, rabbit has shortest path.
A cow eats green blades and repairs body tissue. Which picture shows the source for activity and repair? And the correct answer is letter A, plants supply both. The graph shows available food energy across 3 parts of a chain. Which claim matches the pattern? And the correct answer is letter B, less reaches later consumers. A fox eats an animal that ate clover. Which model best shows the indirect path? And the correct answer is letter A, plant prey hunter.
A diagram shows light-reaching grass before animals use a stored food. Which statement is true? And the correct answer is letter B, producers begin feeding poths. A model begins with green leaves before any animal appears. Which picture tells why this living thing should come first? And the correct answer is letter A, make food. A leaf receives light, air, and water before a caterpillar eats it. Which statement is true? And the correct answer is letter C, food is made there.
Before a deer gets stored energy, which picture shows what a green leaf needs to make its own supply? And the correct answer is letter C, air, water, sunlight. A hawk flies after eating a mouse that ate seeds. How can its food path be traced? And the correct answer is letter C, plants captured sunlight first. A raccoon eats berries and small animals, which picture shows both ways it can get usable power. And the correct answer is letter B, plants and prey.
An animal has no meals and its feeding path is broken before energy reaches the animal. Why would movement, growth, and repair be affected? And the correct answer is letter A, it lacks usable energy. A simple diagram traces energy from sunlight to a plant, then to a mouse, then to an owl. Which picture matches? And the correct answer is letter A, complete chain. A horse stays warm after eating hay. Why does its body warmth depend on an earlier source? And the correct answer is letter C, grass stored sunlight energy.
A caterpillar eats green material and later becomes larger before forming a chrysalis. Which picture shows how its food helps? And the correct answer is letter A, leaf growth change. A lion eats a zebra, not a plant. Why can its food energy still be traced to an earlier source? And the correct answer is letter B, plants captured sunlight first. A model shows clover eaten by a rabbit and the rabbit eaten by a fox. Which picture explains why animals depend on the same starting source? And the correct answer is letter A, sun plant paths.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.